Okay, so here we are. Now we're going to do this testing for simple sugars, also known as AKA Benedicts Test. And to do the Benedicts test, we're going to use this stuff called Benedict's solution. It's got this pretty sort of turquoise blue color. And it tells you here that this test lets you know if you have essentially simple sugars, so mono or disaccharides, which would be like sucrose, maybe glucose, maybe not always glucose, galactose, fructose, things like that. And when those sugars are present, in the presence of this solution plus heat, the samples will turn color. So any color that's really from green, yellow, orange, almost the whole rainbow except blue and purple, red, all the way to brown, those are going to be positive for these simple sugars, okay? So what you want to do to start again, make a prediction. Do you think distilled water will test positive or negative for simple sugars? What about glucose and albumin and starch? And what about your French fry, right? How will those all test? And then they want you to guess, like, what color do you think they'll be? Keep in mind, if it's blue or purple, it's negative for sugars. Okay? So, you can make some guesses about the colors you think they're going to be. And then you come down here to the procedure, and it talks about that you need to make a water bath by filling a beaker halfway with tap water. I've already actually set this up on a hot plate that's over there, and I'll show you in a minute how to do that. But first, what we're going to do is we have some test tubes. I did not number them 1 through 6. I did what I did before, which was water, glucose, albumin, starch, and French fry. And it tells you that you're going to put 10 drops of Benedict's and then 10 drops of each of the sample into these tubes. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to turn this off, and then when I come back and do the video again, I'm going to show you what it looks like mixed up with the Benedict's plus the substances, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I put them in the bath.